Lately, innovations which have been done by various product vendors. Here in India, we represent close to around 8 products, for which we are the value-added distributors for India and the SAARC region. Out of which there are a lot of developments which keep on happening on a regular basis. So we just want to highlight what are the latest developments so that we can showcase those particular developments to a set of customers, largely from government, from defense and from various large partners, so that they can carry those particular product lines to the end users. This is the first time we are doing this at this particular scale itself. Earlier we have done the events which were done with one particular product vendor. But this time we are carrying forward with 4 product vendors, so that once the people are coming, they can get a variety of products to understand, and it will give slightly more coverage. Actually, we wanted to do it this time itself, but since it's an evening event and it becomes convenient for people to come slightly after the office hours, and we need to give some particular coverage, so we are not able to address more than 4 participants. Though there were other vendors also who were more than keen, but definitely we'll try to do that in next couple of quarters for rest of the product vendors as well. We have invited largely the customers from the government segment as well as from the defense. Then we have the partners who are coming from largely from Delhi, but there are partners who are coming from other places also, like Bombay, Bangalore, and eastern part of the country also. We have invited the private hospitals also. So there will be people who will be coming from Fortis, there will be people who will be coming from Apollo. So the private hospitals will also join in. Expectations we have is largely in terms of creating the awareness about these particular products and their latest innovations, so that the customers can understand what value these particular product lines offer for them, so that they can imbibe that and get the benefit out of the latest innovations. Customers we are expecting close to around 150 to 170, and they'll be close to around 100 odd partners. Client system integrators like IBM, HP, Wipro, HCL, CMC, Tulip, Spanco. There will be people from these particular system integrators as well as tier 2 and tier 3 partners also. Largely, we are anyway working with all the top system integrators who are there present in the market. So more or less, all the system integrators are already our partners. But we would welcome more system integrators and more tier 2 partners coming in.
Who are not associated with you?
Who are not associated. So like this Global Media, which is into telemedicine, it's a new product line that we have introduced within this year itself, in fact last quarter. So we'll be looking at the partners who are focusing on those kind of hospital segment.